Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's Testimonials block in WordPress. This is a mini-series on taking a look at Stackable's blocks one by one. To get started, let's open up a brand new blank page to look at this block on its own. To do that, there's a couple of ways. The first one is if you're logged into your website, you'll have this top toolbar. Hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you're on your dashboard, head over to your left-hand sidebar, hover over onto Pages and click on Add New Page. This will, 1, take us to the WordPress block editor, and 2, create us a brand new blank page to work with. Once we're here, just a few housekeeping things. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Just click on that. This is where all of the settings and parameters to configure and toggle for our block will appear. Next, let's give our page a title, just to keep things organized. And last but not least, let's add the block itself. So there's the block inserter here, upper left-hand corner in the blue. We can either search for our block or scroll down. Since Stackable is on top of list for us, we don't have to go down too far, and we have Testimonial over here. So let's scroll in over here, and there's a bunch of options to choose from. Some of them are grayed out because those are premium features. We'll have plenty to do with default. Okay, so what is this for? Well, as the name implies, testimonial. So we can get an image of one of our customers, one of our clients, and have them send in some testimonials, and we can type it in here or copy paste it. So let's get started with that. As you can see, if we went up here on testimonial, there isn't much special. We can change it to be horizontal or vertical, but that doesn't really do anything. In fact, I believe it's disabled. We have style. We can add a background to the outside. For the container background, we can do something with that. And just like in the last video with the, with the team member, let's use a gradient because it looks great on this format. And you know what? Let's put a border radius in our container to make it look more professional. And I am happy with that. You can also put a link onto this whole block if we wanted to. So let's go ahead and flesh this out. Okay, when it doesn't want to cooperate there, let's go ahead and edit it from here. Okay, and then we can change the typography for this. Let's use a juicier font. Okay, that's acceptable. Make it bigger. Okay, let's fix this title over here. We can change the text color if we wanted to, but let's not do that. We can add a background, but I don't think it's necessary. Let's click on this image and add an image of one of our satisfied customers or clients. We have some stock images over here. Okay, there we go. And let's give her a name. Right. Okay, we can change the typography of that, and this one as well. We can make it a bit bigger if we wanted to. Not too much. Okay, there we go. And there we go. There is our testimonial. All of these blocks, as you can see, they're just standard. This is text, this is an image, this is a heading, and this is a subtitle. And then it's all just grouped together into this one block called a testimonial. So you could have 5 stars, icons on here with your preferred clients and customers. Very simple, very easy to use. Let's go ahead and publish it and see how it looks like on our website. Okay, with that saved, let's go ahead and click on View Page. And this is our Stackable testimonial block on our live site. You can have a bunch of these if you put them in columns and rows, but this is a basic tutorial on how to actually use it as intended. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.